coming through again with another video. You done know. See guys, I am currently at my mechanic's in Fort Lauderdale. His name is Charlie. I'll link his information in the description. He more or less works on BMWs, to be honest, as you guys can see all the BMWs around. But he does mess with Porsche. I'm not doing anything too big. I'm just getting an oil change today and everything and stuff. So but yeah, you guys getting her first oil change of 2023. I didn't go over this with you guys, but I never went over how much miles my Porsche has. Guess how much miles my Porsche has? I'll leave you guys 2 seconds to figure it out. 193,000 miles. Yep. And the truck look clean. The truck clean. So, but anyways, you guys, yeah, first oil change of 2023. Ooh, you see it. Alright, you guys, so fast forward a couple days and my Porsche is ready for pickup and everything. I'm about to go pay and see some information on our, because every oil change that Charlie does, he likes to do a diagnostics of where the state of your car currently is, you know. So I really like when he does his work, because it's not just the oil change, it's also checking the car in itself. So you guys, this is Jimena. She's Charlie's assistant. What's going on with my Porsche?
Just these front and rear brakes, and they're not even that bad, to be honest with you. The front brakes were at 20% and the rear brakes were at 30%.
What?
So
that's the only thing you found on the Porsche?
Yeah, and I even asked Charlie again. I was like, are you sure? He's like, yeah. Okay.
Yo, that's lit. That's you guys could, so the car is in, I really goodbye. Yeah. So as you guys heard, there's literally nothing mechanical wrong with my Porsche, which is great. In case you guys want to know how much an oil change is, as well as doing a diagnostic is for a Porsche like this, Charlie charged me pretty much 140 bucks, which is awesome for this, yo. Thank you guys for watching, and please like and subscribe to the channel. I'm also going to leave his information because he is great at what he does. All right, you done know. All right, you guys, first start. Awesome this. Ooh. Ooh. Awesome, man. This thing is awesome. Yo, I love this Porsche, y'all.